welcome back. My name is Caitlin and today we are going to be making cinnamon rolls. So let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with 1 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 1 1/2 tablespoons yeast. You did read that right, 8 eggs. One 1/2 tablespoons salt. Quarter cup of honey. One 1/2 cups of butter or 3 sticks of butter. 8 cups of flour. 4 cups. What did I just say, 4?
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm thinking once I'm done putting this dough together, we'll put Inslee to sleep and we can take a nap then. Are you ready for a nap? I may need to borrow your muscles. If the 8 cups of flour and 8 eggs were an indication, this makes a lot of dough. So I can split this in half, as you'll see here in a minute. And I used half of the dough for the cinnamon rolls, and I used the other half for a loaf of bread. As you'll see here in a minute, this dough actually ended up being kind of hard to work with. However, the recipe does say that it's supposed to refrigerate for just 1 hour before use. I didn't have time to roll it out that same day that I made up the dough, so I actually refrigerated it overnight. So I would just let it sit longer, maybe to, just come more to room temperature, maybe just a little on the cool side to work with, and it does get much easier. I forgot to film all of this part. What I'm spreading on the dough is a half cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. You can also just use room temperature butter and spread that on the dough and then sprinkle the sugar and the cinnamon on top. Here I am rolling it from the long side all the way in. I bake these at 350 for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, add milk until you get the right consistency.